Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. And in this video, I'll be showing you how to create dashboard in Clickup. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your Clickup or log in your existing Clickup account and kindly click the dashboard. And after that, click the plus button to add the dashboard. And after clicking the plus button, you will now lead to this create dashboard, in which you can choose your own template such as simple dashboard, reporting, and time tracking dashboard. But I will use the simple dashboard. You can also edit the location, but I will prefer to choose the project one. Click apply, and you have now your own dashboard, which contains docs, files, and links, chats, and task lists. So that's it. If you wanted to know how to create dashboard in ClickUp, that is the easiest way I know. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, kindly give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much, and see you on our next video.